Yeah, I just wanted to make a quick video really quick. I've got a 2021 GMC. It's a Sierra, the diesel. Anyways, bought these HDX steps for the truck. Absolutely love them. Had them on a Dodge a while ago, and they're great steps. But their instructions are crap. So anyways, I just wanted to give you a quick idea on how to put them together. Once you get started on it, you'll be able to figure it out from there. Just a couple tricks that I used really fast. Okay, so when you get them, this HDX goes to the back. They don't tell you that in the instructions. There's a small step, large step. Large step goes to the front. When you open it up out of the box, there is going to be 6 brackets, and they are going to go like this. There's going to be 2 towards the front of the truck and 1 towards the back of the truck. Out of the brackets, 4 of them are exactly the same, and that's going to be these ones right here. 2 of them are going to be different, and they have right here, I don't know if you can see that, but they're marked on one side or the other, and you can't really see it with the light. But anyways, it's DC, there you go, right there, and PC. Right, so passenger and driver. So on the passenger side one, this is your middle bracket. So as long as you remember this one's your middle bracket and the DC is your driver's bracket, you'll be good to go. We had to sit and guess and move them around and flop it around until we finally got it to work. On my truck, you can see these little plastic grommet things. You just have to pull those out, and what I found was the easiest way to figure out how they're going to line up on your truck is do these bolts first where the bracket comes in, put those on there and just loosely put them on, and put them into the step all the way down. And once you do that, then you can have someone hold it underneath and you can line it up, because like on my truck, there's this one that had a hole, that one that had a hole, and a couple others that were close depending on what kind of steps you actually have. So I mean, there's rubber grommets all the way down that you could potentially use, and so it just helps you line them up and get them where they need to go the first time, so you're not taking them out because they're kind of a pain in the butt. But once you get those on, then just tighten up these bottom ones first, and then these ones, because these ones slide up and down, and if you tighten those first without doing this one, then you have to unloosen those and then bring that back around. But anyways, those were just a couple of the little things that I wish I could have found a video on, and wish they would have put in their instructions, because it's not that hard to make easy instructions when there's only 3 brackets and however many bolts. Anyways, hope this video helps you a little bit more than their instructions help me. Take her easy.